So, welcome back to video classes. Already we learnt algebraic identities. Already very important 4 identities already we learnt in 8th class and as well as in 9th class also we learnt. The first identity is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. The second identity a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. The third identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The fourth identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. These 4 are very important. So these formulas are very important. So now the today's identity, the fifth identity, so far I don't know this identity. The identity is, first of all, here a plus b plus c whole square. What is the value of a plus b plus c whole square? A plus b plus c whole square. Actually, what is meant for a plus b plus c whole square? A plus b plus c whole square is nothing but a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. A plus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square is nothing but a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. By using exponents concept, this is product form, this is exponential form. The power of a plus b plus c is 1, this power is also 1, that's why 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, I am multiplying normal multiplication, you know very well normal multiplication. Here, a of a plus b plus c, curly brackets, a of a plus b plus c, a of a plus b plus c, plus this plus b of again a plus b plus c, b plus a plus b plus c. Next plus this plus c of full a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Now multiply by using distributive property. A into a square, a into a square. This plus a into b, a into b, ab, plus a into c, ac, a into c, ac. Coming to second part, b into, here I have to keep brackets. So, b into a, ba, plus b into b square, plus b into c, bc, b into c, bc, plus c into a, ca, plus c into b, cb, plus c into c, c square, c into c, c square. Now, remove the curly brackets because all are plus symbols, is equal to a square plus ab plus ac plus, here already ab is there, that's what I am using commutative property. This I am writing, instead of ba, I am writing ab, both are same, ab and b are same. Here ab is there, that's what I am writing in order. AB plus B square plus BC plus, already here AC is there, that's what I am writing here also. Instead of CA is nothing but AC. Next here BC is there, that's why this CB I am writing BC plus C square. Here you see A square AB plus AC plus, because of this plus, actually the sign for BA is plus. This because of this plus will be plus only. BA is nothing but AB, commutative property, B square, BC. Again here also plus symbol, because of this plus will be plus only. CA is nothing but commutative property AC. CB is nothing but BC, C square. Understand? Now simplify. First a square, yes, a square only. Next b square. Order I am writing b square. Last one is c square plus c square. Next, AB. This is here one AB is there. Here one more AB is there. 1AB plus 1AB is equal to 2AB. 1AB plus 1AB is equal to 2AB. 1AB plus 1AB is equal to 2AB. Next, I take BC. I take afterwards. I take AC. No problem. BC. BC. Here one BC. Here also one more BC. 1BC plus 1BC is equal to 2BC. 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 Next, last one. AC. 1, 2, 3, 4. AC here. AC. 1AC plus 1AC is equal to 2AC. 2AC. Listen carefully. So, actually, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC is the special identity, today's identity, the fifth identity. What is the formula? By heart it. What is the formula? A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. If you want, you can write 2AC or 2CA also, no problem. Why? Because easily we can memorize A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Understand? That's what instead of 2AC, we can also write 2CA also, no problem. 2AC also, no problem. Once again, A plus B whole square formula by heart it. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA plus 2CA. So, this is the formula for A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. By heart the formula, then only you can do the sums. Okay. The first sum. Expand x plus 4y 2y plus 4z whole square. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Expand by using suitable identity. Using suitable identity. Expand by using suitable identity, that is nothing but x plus 2y plus 4z into x plus 2y plus 4z. Actually, what is that actually? X plus 2y plus 4z into x plus 2y plus 4z. We can do normal multiplication, but the question itself is given by using suitable identity. Definitely we have to do by using suitable identity. Don't go for normal multiplication. If you know very well also what they are asking, you have to do like that only. So here they are asking expand. That is nothing but this trinomial into this trinomial, multiply this trinomial into this trinomial by using suitable identity. That's why here carefully we have to do. First of all, here I am writing solution x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. It is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. A is equal to x, b is equal to 2y, b is equal to 2y, a is equal to x. Here also plus, no problem. B here also plus matching. So b is equal to 2y, c is equal to plus and plus, c is equal to 4z. This is very important. First you write a is equal to, b is equal to, c is equal to. You know very well what is the formula. Just now I said a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here I am writing formula. What is the formula? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus 2ca. This is the formula. By heart the formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. How to memorize? Very easy. A plus b plus c whole square formula. A plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Like this you memorize. Very easy formula. This is a trinomial identity. By using this identity, we are multiplying a trinomial to trinomial, that is nothing but expand by using the suitable identity. So here a is equal to, I have written already, that's what. So now directly a plus b plus c whole square, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, x square. Here a square, no, first a square means x whole square. Next b square means 2y whole square. Next c square means 4z whole square. Next plus 2ab in the sense 2 into a into b. That's why 2 into a for x, 2 into a into b, 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2ab plus 2bc. bc means 2y into 4z, 2y into 4z, 2y into 4z plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc, 2ab, 2bc. The last one is 2ca. Here I write that 2ca, 2c for 4z, 2ca, a for x, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc, yes correct, plus 2ca. Now is equal to simplify. X whole square is nothing but x square. X whole square is nothing but x square. Plus here the very important 2y whole square. 2y whole square is nothing but 2 square y square. Why? Because you know one formula ab whole to the power of, here I write. What is the formula? ab whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. That's why a to the power of m into b to the power of m. 2 square into y square. Here also same formula. 4 square into z square plus, first of all, this is nothing but 2 into x into 2 into y. That is nothing but 2 into x into 2 into y. Instead of writing, better you take numbers first. 2 into 2, x into y. Plus, here also 2 into 4 into y into z. 2 into 2 into y into 4 into z. I am writing like this. 2 into 4 into y into z. Plus 2 into 4 into z into x is equal to x square plus 2 square value 4. 2 square value 4y square plus 4 square value, 4 square is 4 into 4 16. 4 square 4 into 4 16 z square plus multiply this 2 into 2 4 x into y xy plus 2 into 2 4 4 are 16 y into z by z plus 2 4s are 8 z into x zx. I got answer. What is the answer for x plus 2y plus 4z whole square? X square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. If you want, you can do normal multiplication also, you get the same answer. But for today's assignment, you have to do by using suitable identity only. Don't go for your own way. So you have to do by using suitable identity. You have to do by using a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. By using this identity only, we have to do today's sums. Understand? Okay. One more question number 2. Expand minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square using suitable identity. Now, what is the identity? Suitable identity for this? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus 2ca. Now, first minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. It is in the form a plus b plus c whole square. Normally, if you want a minus a plus b minus c whole square formula also, we can find minus a plus b minus c whole square formula also we can find, but time waste. By using this single formula, we can do all the sums by using this suitable identity. Here, a is equal to minus 2x. A is equal to minus 2x. B is equal to 5y. C is equal to minus 3z, not 3z. Not 3z. Why? Because, listen carefully, I will write here. This is a minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z plus minus 3z whole square. This also, if you want, you can write plus minus 2x also you can write. Understand? Whole square. Plus of minus minus plus into minus minus 2x plus 5y plus into minus minus 3z, or s negative also you can use. Here a for what is that? A plus b plus c whole square. Whole square. A plus means this here also this is plus only. A plus b plus c whole square. A for minus 2x. A for minus 2x. B for here this plus and this plus, okay, this plus and this plus, then automatically what is B for? B for 5y. B for 5y plus okay, C for minus 3z. C for minus 3z. Now directly I am writing placement may not be sufficient, that's why minus 2x plus 5. If you want, you can write minus 3z whole square is equal to, for this also if you want to write, otherwise not required, a square. A square means minus 2x whole square plus b square 5y whole square plus c square minus 3z whole square plus 2ab 2 into ab 2ab or 2ab minus 2x into 5y minus 2x into 5y. A is equal to 2x, b is equal to 5y, c is equal to minus 3z. A is equal to 2x, b is equal to 5y, c is equal to minus 3z. So next plus 2bc, 2b, b for 5y, c minus 3z, you see 2a square plus b square minus 2x square plus 5y square plus c square minus 3z square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2bc. The last one is plus 2ca plus 2ca, c for minus 3z, c for minus 3z, c for minus 3z and a for 2x, a for 2x, a for 2x. Once again I check a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, yes 2ab plus 2ca 5y minus 3z ca plus 2, okay 2ab 2bc, bc 2ca minus 3z minus 2x. Once again a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc 5y minus 3z plus 2ca means these two, 2ca minus 3z and minus 2x, I forget minus, understand? So here a square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab yes plus 2bc plus 2ca, okay correct. Now already said the formula ab whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m b to the power of m. Now minus 2 square, this we can write minus 2 whole square x square plus 5 square y square plus minus 3 square z square plus this we have to multiply. What is that? Minus 2 into minus 2 into 5 into x into y. Understand? Plus 2 into 5 into minus 3 into y into z. Understand? Plus 2 into minus 3 into minus 2 into 2 into minus 3 into minus 2 into z into x, z into x, z into x, z into x. Carefully, 2 square minus 2 square x square, 5 square y square minus 3 square z square, 2ab term, 2 into minus 2 into 5 into x into y plus only 2 into 5 into minus 3 y into z plus 2 into minus 3 into minus 2 into z into x. Now simplify. Minus 2 square value 4. Even 2 square and minus 2 square both the values are 4. 4x square plus 25 y square. 5 square is nothing but 25. 3 square also 9. Minus 3 square also 9. 9z square plus here 2 2s are 4. 5 4s are 20. But minus is there. That's what minus. Minus 20 x into y xy. Plus 2 into 5 10, 10 into 3 30 minus 30 yz, minus 30 yz, minus 30 yz plus, let's simplify this one, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Anyhow, minus into minus plus, that's what, no problem, zx. Carefully you see, once again, 2 square minus 2 square 4, x square, y square value 25, 25 y square, minus 3 square 9, 9 z square, 2 into 5, 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20, as otherwise anything you can do, minus 20 xy. Here also 5 2s are 10, 30, 30. 2 into 5 into 3 30 minus 30 yz plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 minus into minus plus, that's why directly I am writing only this side plus zx is equal to 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square plus of minus plus into minus are as negative minus 20xy plus into minus are as negative minus 30yz plus 12zx. 12zx. This is the answer. The simplification of the expanded from the expansion of minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square is equal to 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. We carefully do here. The most important point is a is equal to minus 2x, b is equal to 5y, c is equal to minus 3z. Whether we are writing the same or not, yes, a square, b square, c square, okay, a square minus 2x whole square, b square, c square, okay. BC, 2ab, first 2ab, a term minus 2x, b term 5y, yes, okay. Next BC 5y minus 3z, yes, okay. Next CA, 2CA means this is C minus 3z, A minus 2. Carefully you check the signs and then only you can solve, so that we will get correct answer. Okay, this is the second sum. So one more sum. Expand 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. So here 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Directly you can compare with a plus b plus c whole square. A is equal to 3a, b is equal to minus 7b, c is equal to minus c. Directly you can write, but if you want, I'll change. What is that? That is nothing but 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. You can also write that 3a plus of minus 7b plus of minus c whole square. Both are same. 3a plus into minus minus or as a negative plus into minus 7b. If you simplify, you will get this only, plus into minus c. So now if you want, you can compare. It is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. It is in the form of. We know what is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now, what is a? A is equal to 3a. What is b? A is equal to 3a. What is b? B is equal to minus 7b. B is equal to minus 7b. What is c? C is equal to minus c. C is equal to minus c. A is equal to 3a plus b is equal to minus 7b plus c is equal to minus c. Directly also you can write. Directly, no need to write this step. Directly a plus b plus c whole square. A square, sorry, a is equal to 3a, b is equal to minus 7b, c is equal to minus c. Directly you can write, otherwise if you want you can change. Now, what is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Now it is the form of a plus b plus c whole square. First a square 3a whole square plus b square minus 7b whole square plus c square minus c whole square plus 2ab 2 into a for 3a 2ab minus 7b plus 2ab. After that 2ab 2bc minus 7b minus c plus 2ca. Carefully, this is very important. If you want, once again you check. A square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab, sorry, plus 2ab plus 2ab ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Once again, a square plus b square plus c square 2ab. Next 2ab 2bc. Next 2ca. C for minus c, a for 3a. Carefully you write this one. Now simplify. Already you know very well what is the formula. AB whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m, b to the power of m. So a square 3 square a square plus minus 7 square b square plus minus c whole square is nothing but c square. Minus c whole square is nothing but c square. Why? Because minus c into minus c, c into c, c square, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. That's why plus c square. Otherwise, minus 1c square is nothing but c square plus. First, you simplify this part. What is this part? 2 into 3 into minus 7 into a into b. A into b. This part. Later, this part. What is this part? Plus 2 into minus 7 into. Okay, this is nothing but actually minus 1 into c. C is nothing but minus 1 into c. That's why minus c is nothing but minus 1 into c. That's what minus 1 b into c. Carefully. C I have written minus 1 into c. Minus c I have written minus 1 into c. So 2 into minus 7 into minus 1 into b into c. Here also 2. This minus c again if you want you can change minus 1 into c. Minus 1 into c. So 2 into minus 1 into this I am simplifying. Minus 1 into 3 into c into a. C into a. Now 3 square value 9. 3 square value 9. 9a square plus minus 7 square. 7 square value 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. So here minus 7 square also 49 only. Minus 7 into 49 b square plus c square. Already I said no. What is that? Minus c square is nothing but minus 1 into c square is nothing but minus 1 square into c square is nothing but 1 minus 1 square is 1 into c square is nothing but c square. Instead of writing these many steps directly minus c square is nothing but c square have written. Now here carefully plus 2 sevens, sorry 2 3 6 6 sevens are 42. Otherwise 7 3s are 21 42. Here minus 42 a into b is equal to ab. A into b is equal to ab. You keep brackets. Here if you want you can start brackets. 2 into 7 14. Otherwise minus into minus plus 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Here 2 into 7 into 1 is nothing but 14. Minus into minus plus, that's why plus 14. B into c is equal to bc plus here 2 into 3 6. 6 into 1 6 but minus 6. So 2 into minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 6. CA. Now 9a square plus 49b square plus c square. Because of this, okay, plus into minus or s negative minus 42ab. Here plus symbol only here also. That's why just 14bc. So here s negative minus 6ca plus into minus 6ca. This is the answer for 3a minus 7b minus c whole square is equal to 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc minus 6ca is the answer to the third question. Okay, we completed 3 sums by using the identity a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here and 8 sums are there for assignment. All of you do these 8 sums by using the same identity. Don't go for the normal multiplication, only by using this identity. What is that identity? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. By using this identity carefully, if you want, here a is equal to 2x, b is equal to minus 1 by or by c is equal to z. Here A is equal to minus 2x, B is equal to 3y, C is equal to 2z. Here A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 4y, C is equal to 5z. Here A is equal to 4a, B is equal to minus 3b, C is equal to minus 3c. Coming to here, A is equal to 4a, B is equal to minus b, C is equal to 2c. Here A is equal to 3a, B is equal to minus 5b, C is equal to minus 3. Here A is equal to minus x, B is equal to 2y, C is equal to minus 3z. Here A is equal to 3a, B is equal to minus 7b, C is equal to minus c. Carefully, all of you write this A, B, C, then only go for expanded form using the by using the suitable identity. Okay, thank you very much.